got me one. Got me a nice one. Woo! Then got some shoulders on them. What's that? Yeah, he fighting. Come on, go ahead and fight. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's that? Look blue. What's that? Ooh. Beautiful fish. What is that? Is that a trigger fish? Oh wow, that's a trigger fish. Man, that's beautiful, yo. Look at that. Man, that's a beautiful fish. Look at that. It's a beautiful trigger. Beautiful trigger. It's my first trigger. See, the triggers in Bimini look a lot different than the ones in Miami. Beautiful trigger.